Okay, my YouTube people. So I'm going to start working on this thing a little bit and trying to decide where I'm heading first. One of the first things I want to do is I'm going to take whatever this is that's wire tied on off, and also want to take this off and whatever it's sitting on, and then probably these saddlebags too. That'll be where I've started. I also got a new battery for it, and that's charging at the moment, so I'm going to do the battery, and I'll show you what all that looks like as I'm doing it. I'm not sure what that's about. Looks like a charging thing for your phone. That'll be going away also. Looks better already. Look how much better that looks already. Alright, what's next? That. Okay, time for the tripod. Alright, getting better and better. Found a climber's manual in the bag. That's nice. Alright, the particle board is off. Nice Harley rack. Now we can take all whatever that is off. Bike's getting lighter already. Off comes the seat. Whoever owned this sure liked their wire ties. This, I'm guessing, goes to the battery for charging, and it seems like it could be pinched. Okay, now I got the bags disconnected, so let's take them off. Looks like somebody put shorter shocks on this thing, and now I got to take the bag brackets off. And in order to get the bag brackets off, I got to take the turn signal lenses off. Can't get the bolt out. I think they used enough washers. 4 of them. Come on, people, get the right bolts. So this is for trickle charger. Not what the rest of this nonsense is. Somebody has this wire spliced once, twice, 3 times. I'm guessing that's turn signal. Don't know what any of that is. Not really sure what this relay is. If I had to take a guess, it's probably for that horn. Got more wires. This is for the phone charger. Got to take all this stuff out. This is why people have wiring problems when it's not done right. Okay, get the battery out. You need a DEET 7/16 and you got them right up under here. Take this strap off. No Loctite on anything so far. Heard me say it before, you always put your washers, nuts and bolts back together so you don't lose it. Now the top of the battery comes off. And the cover. Take the negative off first, always. That way if the negative's off when you're taking the positive off, if you touch anything, it doesn't arc. So on the negative side, or you had a ground that goes over here to this thick wire. You have another ground that goes up under the gas tank. I'm guessing this goes over to that horn. You had this ground which goes to the phone charger, and then you had the motorcycle ground, the important one. On the positive, you got this yellow fused wire that goes over to the relay. You got a positive wire that goes up to that phone charger. You got a red wire that comes back in here. Not really sure where that goes. It goes over to the circuit breaker. You got another wire that goes over to this charger, trickle charger, and then you got the starter wire. A lot of wires in here. Out comes the phone charger wire. Out comes this trickle charger wire. And people wonder why they have wiring issues. There's a wire over to the main breaker. Wire, yellow wire over to that relay. Have to figure out what the relay's for. Got this wire for the battery cable. It's the positive down to the starter. There's another relay over here. It's just flopping around. I don't need to have something happen with it. These breakers are a little bit loose. It's not the end of the world. They can be tightened up from the inside here. This relay appears to be the horn. Next, we're going to take off this rack. Looks kind of ugly back there. Alright, back rack's off. I think it looks a lot cleaner without that. Okay, now we're going to try and get the carburetor off this thing. Okay, has an old school Russell fuel filter on it and plenty of stinky old gas. The S&S carburetor takes a 5/16 Allen socket. Okay, now hopefully we just give it a little tug, and oh, it has a bracket holding it, so we have to take that bracket off. Oh, the smell of that gas is unbelievable. Okay, now we get the cables off. Usually I try to get this one first. Sometimes you could do these without loosening them, but not this time. And it did. With the rear one, it has the spring, so you just have to make sure to get the spring up and out of there. Like that, and then it comes right out like that. Now the S&S carburetor is loose, and you can see it dripping stinky gas. It'll need a rebuild, and that's what we're going to do at some point shortly, and I'll make sure to video that.